song for the broken hearted, a silent prayer for the faith departed. If I'm gonna be just a face in the crowd, you gotta hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life now or never. I'm gonna live forever, and I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. The clock is counting my way, and I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life. This is for the one who stood the ground, for Tony and Gia who never back down. Tomorrow's getting hard to make no mistake. Love can ever lucky, I don't make you hungry. It's my life, it's now or never. Now it's gonna live forever. Well, I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. The clock is counting my way. Well, I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life. When you say don't when I'm telling you out, don't bend, don't break, baby, don't back down. It's my life, it's now or never. Now it's gonna live forever. Well, I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my heart is like an open highway. The clock is counting my way. But I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life. Let's go on forever. What is gonna live forever? Well, I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's mine, my heart is like an open highway. The clock is counting my way. Well, I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life.
It's My Life by Felix. Okay, Charlie.
Tito Sam, wow, it's my life. So, before ako ihatag sa to ang judge nga mo comment karon, Tito Sam, ako sa i-acknowledge ang akong co-sinulog idols Tito Sam nga naa sa among likod.
Oh,
So,
sige.
naa diri ato ang eliminated sinulog idol gabi no. So gabi is si Jessie Joy and si Mr. Benedict. Ano? O ato asang alumni si Mr. CJ and nasa diri sa tumbangan si Roby.
Si Jeff, Roby, can you please stand up?
Mga alumni na to. Oh.
Macy, Jomar, and then we also have Jolo, Stephen. Where's Stephen? There. Alright, can we give them a big round of applause? And then, of course, our Sinulog Idol champions. We have the first Sinulog Idol champion of Cebu, Jacqueline Balchan. And another champion, we have Claudio De Perini. 2014? Alright. Charlie?
Okay, salamat coach. So atong ihatag karon ni Mr. Roy Empleo. Hello, I'm Felix. Okay, good evening. So, you sang Bon Jovi's It's My Life. You know, kung mga Cebuano pa, hilig kita mga kundiman, di ba? Because that's how we express our emotions. So, rockers are also expressive. In fact, most of the rock songs are thematic and emotional. So, sa akong pagkita din sa mong performance, it was quite inconsistent because at first you did fairly well, but along the way you were already quite conscious. In fact, to the point na dili ka mo piyok o mayabag. But nevertheless, from start to finish, wala madyo kayo na piyok, di ba? Kay mo ginato ang bantayan as singers, right? Kay remember, it's a contest. Gamay piyok, dako ng kanta sa score. So for you, Felix, ang mga performance karon as a rocker, I think you are not really a rocker. But sa ato ang rock na theme, it was just a fair performance. But compared to other performers, I think you are in the middle. Di mo sa tingin na matangtang karong gabi.
Okay, thank you, Felix.